In the Data Explorer tab, you might find all report types you've extracted. Overview of each table is available on the main page. You may find the name of the table, data source name, extraction order status, last update time, and actions. By the status color on the main page of Data Explorer, you might see an overview of table status, where green is active, orange is paused, or red has an error. If you click on the name of the data table, you will see an overview of load and extraction orders. Extraction order is a set of data that we pull from data sources. For each extraction order, you have an information overview available. You can also click on the name of the extraction order to see the data preview. Load order is a set of data that we push to your warehouse. For each load order, you have also an information overview available. In the Actions tab, you have possibility to sync or pause extraction order. Please keep in mind that by syncing or pausing extraction order on the main page of Data Explorer, you pause all tables of the same type at once. In case you'd like to pause extraction order for a particular account, you can click on the table name in Data Explorer and pause extraction orders individually.